How do I install the Ring Doorbell Pro Power Kit?
Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to guide you on how to install the Ring Doorbell Pro Power Kit. This little device is essential for your Ring doorbell to function correctly. So, let's get started.
What's in the box?
First off, let's check what's inside the box of the Ring Doorbell Pro Power Kit. You'll find a small white box containing the Pro Power Kit itself. This is what we're going to install today.
Identifying your doorbell's chime.
Before we proceed, you need to identify your doorbell's chime. There are two types, a mechanical chime and a digital chime. A mechanical chime makes a traditional ding-dong sound, while a digital chime plays a melody or other sound.
Locating the chime.
Now, locate your doorbell's chime. This is usually a box on the wall somewhere in your home. Turn off the power at your breaker box for the doorbell before you continue for safety.
Installing the Pro Power Kit.
Mechanical chime installation. If you have a mechanical chime, here's how you install the Pro Power Kit. 1. Open up the chime box to reveal the wires. 2. Locate the front and trans terminals on your chime. 3. Detach the wires from these terminals. 4. Attach the wire harness from the Pro Power Kit to the terminals, and then attach the previously detached wires to the wire harness. 5. Connect the other end of the wire harness to the Pro Power Kit. 6. Now, secure the Pro Power Kit inside your chime box using the adhesive strip on the back of the kit. Digital chime installation. If you have a digital chime, the process is a little different. 1. Open your chime box. 2. You'll see a small cylindrical device. This is the diode. 3. Connect one end of the Pro Power Kit's wire harness to the diode, and the other end to the Pro Power Kit itself. 4. Secure the Pro Power Kit inside your chime box using the adhesive strip on the back of the kit.
Finishing up.
Once you've secured the Pro Power Kit, turn the power back on at your breaker box. Your Ring Doorbell Pro is now ready for use. That's it for today's tutorial. We hope you found this video guide on installing the Ring Doorbell Pro Power Kit helpful. Remember, this is an important step to make sure your Ring Doorbell Pro works correctly. If you face any issues, don't hesitate to contact Ring's customer service. Thanks for watching.